Hola, welcome to Bubble Spanish. And today in this class, we will learn about Spanish alphabet. So, as of now in our life, we have precisely learned about English alphabet. But what if we want to learn Spanish? In that condition, first of all, we have to learn its alphabet also. So, what are the difference between Spanish alphabet and English alphabet? So, there are two type of difference which we will talk in this particular video. So first major difference is there are some special letters which is only available in Spanish language, and these special letters are not available in English alphabets. So what are these special letters? So first we can see here it is CH, second is this one double L, third is N with symbol. So these letters are considered to be special letters, and these letters are not available in English letters. So you cannot find these letter over there. So this is the first difference. What is the second difference? The second difference is the way it is spelled, that means pronunciation. So in English we say it as A, but in Spanish we say it as A. So you can see there are some difference. So in this video we will learn the letters, what are the special letters and how we can pronounce it. So as we have already discussed about what are the special letters in Spanish, and now we will learn how to pronounce these letters. So coming with A, we pronounce it as A. A. How we pronounce B? We say it as Be. Be. Coming to C, we say it as say, say, or the, the. But generally, it in Spanish, people used to consider this one. They say it as say, say. Okay. Coming to the special letter which is CH, we say it as che, che. Now coming to D, we say it as te, te. Now E, we say it as I. You have to focus over here that in English letter we used to say it as E, but here we say it as I. Okay, so these are very basic thing which we have to keep in our mind while learning this language. Second is F. F is said to be as F. F. Now G, we say it as He, He. Now H, we say it as H, H. I, we say it as E, E. So you have to keep in mind that in Spanish we say E as I and we say I as E. Okay. Now coming to J, we say it as hota, hota, or khota, khota. How we say K? We say it as ka, ka. Now coming to L, we say it as elle, elle. Now the special letter we say it as L, L, A, L, A. Now M, we say it as M, M. And now N, we say it as N, N. Now the special letter N with symbol, we say it as N, N, A, N, N. Now O is similar to E, that is O. Now coming to P, we say it as P, P, P. Now coming to Q, we say it as Q, Q. R, we say it as R, R. Now S, we say it as X, S, S. Now coming to T, we say it as T, T. U, we say it as U, U. V, we say it as P, P. Now, how we say W? So we pronounce it as W, W. Now X, we say it as X, X. And now Y, it is spelled very uniquely. It is said as Y, Y. Now the last one, Z or Z, we say it as Zeta, Theta. Some part of the world they also say it as Theta, Theta, but mostly and generally it is pronounced as Zeta. So these are all Spanish letters which we have seen in this particular video, and if you really want to memorize them, you can just go back to this video and pause this video and take a screenshot, or you can just note down them in your note copy or notepad so that you can revise them later. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really enjoy this video or if you have learned something new, please like this particular video and subscribe to our channel for more such Spanish lessons. So thank you so much for watching this video once again, and take care, keep learning.